Diletta, io mi sono spostato nel padiglione, anzi in uno dei due padiglioni di Sony, che quest'anno ha una presenza molto importante, e ho con me Vittorio Loreto, che è direttore del Computer Science Lab di Parigi, e a cui vorrei chiedere subito in realtà che cosa ha portato così una vista a volo d'uccello sulla presenza di Sony a quest'anno a Maker Faire.
Beh, quest'anno è un anno molto particolare per noi perché festeggiamo i 25 anni dalla fondazione del laboratorio a Parigi, e quindi abbiamo fatto una cosa speciale, c'è un open house in cui di fatto apriamo la tecnologia per tutti. Abbiamo scelto di farlo dentro la Maker Faire appunto per coinvolgere tutta la comunità. C'è un'offerta molto ampia, non soltanto noi di CSL ma anche altri settori di Sony, Sony Professional, Sony Semiconductor, e abbiamo due padiglioni, questo che è dedicato ad agricoltura e robotica, e poi il padiglione più grande in cui sono tutte le altre attività legate a musica, creatività, intelligenza artificiale, sostenibilità, linguaggio, insomma tante cose molto diverse.
Beh, il vostro laboratorio unisce in un connubio veramente interessante creatività, tecnologia e società, ricadute sulla società. Che cosa lega questi ambiti così diversi?
Forse il tema della creatività forse è quello che è un po' il trade union di tutto questo, perché creatività vuol dire chiaramente trovare nuove soluzioni, ma soluzioni nuove potrebbe essere creare un artefatto nuovo, quindi un pezzo di musica, un nuovo testo o comunque un'opera artistica. Però in realtà creatività vuol dire anche trovare nuove soluzioni a problemi difficili come sono quelli della nostra società, quindi le sfide dello sviluppo sostenibile. Quindi andiamo dall'agricoltura, che adesso vedrete qui vicino intorno a noi, andiamo alle città, andiamo all'energia, insomma tutta una serie di sfide che possiamo porci e per le quali in realtà forse bisogna andare oltre il concetto di ottimizzazione, ma l'idea è proprio di saltare in un altro punto dello spazio delle possibilità e delle configurazioni e immaginare nuove soluzioni.
Quindi anziché fare tanti passi piccoli anche andare oltre.
E direi che il Covid ci sta un po' forzando a fare questo, in realtà esplorare qualcosa che non avremmo mai immaginato di dover fare.
E allora scopriamo questi progetti dedicati all'agricoltura.
Sì, passo all'inglese e I introduce you Peter Hanape, who is the
Hello. Welcome to Rome.
Thank you.
So Peter is a team leader of our sustainability team working on agriculture and robotics, and particularly robotics for microfarming. So I will hand the floor to him because he's better positioned to explain all this. Thanks, Alessandro.
Thank you, Vittorio. So, what do we have here? This moving machine with...
Well, maybe I'll just a quick word about the sort of the concept. So we're working on robotics for micro farms. So basically, what we're interested in is small farms that grow vegetables organically. And you know, and agriculture has to go through a transition towards more biological, agroecological farming. And this also means, for example, no more use of chemicals. And chemicals were used, for example, to suppress weeds in the field. And so we have to find new solutions for that. And so we started working on that. To do that now, they use a lot of manual work. And so the idea was, can we use technology to help these small farms? And of course, I think it's also a nice way to build a bridge between these small farms and all of these people who invent these wonderful technologies, and can we get these people together to think of new tools, new devices. And so today we're going to present two of them. One here in the back of me, which is the robot for weeding. And then my colleague David will also present another small robot, a bit more for research, but also for in long term for farming around 3D vision. So maybe Doug can introduce the two here behind us.
Hi there.
Hi, and welcome to Rome.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having us. So this is the ROMI rover. So ROMI stands for Robotics for Microfarms. And what we're trying to do is to help small farms stay economically viable by doing the hard work for them. So this is the ROMI rover. It's got a number of components that you can buy anywhere. It's all off the shelf. What we're doing is open source, so at the end of the project you'll be able to find the software, you'll be able to find designs for the hardware, and if you want to, build your own robot. So what you can see now is it's currently weeding a bed of salads. What it does is it will take a picture using a camera at the top. This is connected via Wi-Fi to the brain of the robot. Again, this is Raspberry Pis, this is Arduinos, this is controllers that you can buy off the shelf. Once it's taken a photo, I'm going to show you here, actually I don't know if you can see this. We can take a photo and we'll use machine learning and artificial intelligence then to create a mask so we detect all the salads. once we've detected the salads, we plot a path in between the salads here, if this is going to stay, in between the salads so we know where to move the tool. Now the tool itself is a standard CNC that you can use. You'll see them in a 3D printer, for example. Again, it's all off-the-shelf parts. It's a part from Xcarve.
What are the differences between this and other open source projects? For instance, as a maker, I know the Farbot, which is a notorious community project. But
Yeah.
I think one thing is to have this in your garden. One thing is to make this a tool for companies. And
Yeah, I think one of the main things for this project is its cost and its availability. So, as I said, almost anybody should really be able to go and find the designs to build this robot. I mean, we're looking at 6,000 or 7,000 euros compared to hundreds of thousands for Farmbots sometimes. Even the system that we're using for navigation, where we follow the robots, initially we used to have rails for the robot, which added cost, which added expense, which was extra labor. And we've managed to take that out now using computer vision and machine learning to follow the weeds. So
basically seeking minimalism after.
minimalism, it performs a single job very well, but you can also attach other tool carriers to it for providing other things, for example, carrying equipment around a farm. So yeah, actually we're finding a lot more uses for it as we go on.
Let's move on to the other projects you brought here. No, I think we don't have time to after you show the other project. Maybe we can just show it quickly. And
Over to David, who will give you a quick introduction.
Yeah.
David?
Hello, so this is our plant imager. So we try to help biologists to automate the analysis of plants. So the small robot here take a plant, it brings in to the scanner, the camera takes many images of the plant, and based on that, we can do the 3D reconstruction of the plant and analyze in detail its geometry, its growth over time, and help biologists that way.
Ok, thank you very much for this. Quindi appuntamento al padiglione Sony anche per vedere nel dettaglio il movimento e capire i dettagli tecnici di tutti questi progetti. A te, Diletta.